Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to integrate WhatsApp with your Shopify store. Connecting WhatsApp helps you communicate with customers instantly and boost sales. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify dashboard on your PC and log in. Next, go to Apps Shopify App Store. Then, search for a WhatsApp integration app like WhatsApp Chat plus Abandoned Cart or any preferred app, and click Add App. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your WhatsApp number and authorize the integration. After that, customize the chat widget for your store, including greeting messages, button placement, and style to match your website. Finally, save your settings. Your Shopify store now has WhatsApp integrated, allowing customers to message you directly for support or inquiries. That's it. Integrating WhatsApp with Shopify is simple, fast, and improves customer engagement instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.